So finally completed our meeting.
Your country is where?
My country, I'm from Somalia, bro.
Somalia?
Yeah, I'm from Somalia. You know Somalia?
I don't know, but I
Yeah.
just hear that Somalia.
It's the horn of Africa, the east.
East.
Yeah. Ocean, too much ocean.
Hey.
Right, guys, good morning. Just dropped my key, so I'm trying to find. I actually dropped my headpiece, one of my headpieces. I don't know where I dropped it. I think I dropped it in the neighbors because I heard it go click, 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 click when I was coming down the stairs. So let me go and see where I can find it. The hotel. I'll think about it. I'll make a plan. Okay? I finish at 2 o'clock. Yeah, 2 o'clock. Yeah, so I'll call you around 1.
Somalia?
My country, I'm from Somalia, bro.
Somalia?
Yeah. I'm from Somalia. You know Somalia?
I don't know, but
Yeah.
I just hear that
Yeah,
Somalia.
it's the horn of Africa, the east.
East.
Yeah. Ocean, too much ocean.
Hey.
Yeah, oh, very big ocean. Yeah, very big ocean. Guys, this is my brother Moses. Say hi, brother. You want to say hi?
Hi.
Moses is a top G, brother. He's a top G, man. He's look after me, and I look after him, brother. He's my driver. He's a good guy, mashallah. Yeah, man. So guys, let's watch the show.
Amazon?
Yeah, Ugandan military.
Yes.
Yeah, they are in Somalia. They are supporting our troops.
There are many.
Yeah, there's a lot of Ugandan military in Somalia. They're good guys. I know a lot of them. Very good guys. Calm guys, you know. So guys, shout out to Atlas. Doing a good job, man. Look at that, guys. So this is Entebbe.
Friday, when at what time are you going to?
I leave late at night, yeah, early morning, like 12 o'clock midnight. So I only have today and tomorrow.
Only.
Yeah.
Then on Friday you will go midnight.
Yeah, so no, I go tomorrow night, I leave.
Yeah.
Yeah, so tomorrow I finish early. I'll give you money, we go around the city. Yeah, I look after you, you take me to Lido.
Lido Beach.
Yeah, I want to see and record so that, you know, I put it on YouTube. Yeah.
It's a nice place.
Where, Lido?
Yes.
Yeah, it's very, you know, we have a Lido Beach in Somalia as well.
You also have?
Yeah, we have the same Lido Beach in Somalia. So that's why I want to compare it.
You want to compare this one and the other one?
Yeah. The other one is bigger. This one is small, I know. Because I've been here before. But the one in Somalia, ooh, it's ocean.
It's very big.
It's ocean, yeah, it's ocean. Guys, this is my brother Moses. He helped me out. If you're in Entebbe, look for Moses. He's a very good guy, man. You gotta support the hustle, man. Top G recognize a top G, bro. You gotta support the hustle. Tomorrow, tonight I might also, I'll call you tonight. Yeah, I'll call you. You'll be here, right? You won't be far. You'll be around, right? Oh, you live around here? That's good. Don't worry, I'll call you. look after my brother. He's a very good guy, man. I'm not gonna negotiate. I give him whatever that comes out. You know? No negotiation, brother. Take, man. 5.
Thank you,
My brother.
Thank you.
I'll see you tomorrow, yeah?
Okay.
All right, man. I'll call you later on.
Okay, no problem.
Yeah, man. Thanks, man. Yeah, man. Sometimes you don't, when you meet a good guy, or when you meet somebody just like you can't negotiate. You just gotta give what you gotta give. Shout out to Moses. He's been my driver. Hi, sir. He's been my driver, so let's go. Hi. How are you?
Okay.
I'm trying to do YouTube.
Sure.
Can I give you my channel name?
Okay.
I want you to subscribe. Subscribe, like,
Okay.
share.
Okay.
Guys, I'm back to my hotel. I'm trying to get my YouTube channel big, you know what I mean? Because I got 2 other YouTube channels, but those are for content and movies and creation like that. But this personal one, yeah. There you go, my sister. That is me, yeah?
Okay.
Okay, so, yeah, thank you.
All
I'll
right.
come back later on.
Okay.
All right. Let's go.